बबाल 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 वो मंद मुस्कान आड़ी हासदा बबाल 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 वो जो नजर को तीर लागदा बबाल 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 वो प्रीत को गीत गाऊं छुमा गाऊं सहर थरकाई थरकाई प्रीत को गीत गाऊं छुमा गाऊं सहर.
My colleagues are absolutely wonderful, and I felt like part of the family here right away when I started. And I want to thank the students for their hard work since the beginning of the year. And I, of course, want to thank you parents for supporting them, helping them with everything that has to do with school this year. And I'm so glad that music and guitar is part of their life. It's been wonderful, and I can't wait to see how much more progress they're going to make